guys, welcome back to the channel. Another install vid on the Lowrider S coming up. Today we will be installing bunking crash bar. Finally installing the crash bar on the bike. I did try to install the old Softail, well, the old Harley style Softail crash bar, and it just didn't work out on the bike, so decided to go with the bunking. Let's get this install going. Should be fairly easy. Ground clone chilling. Should be an easy one. So first thing you have to do is pop these little plastics out. And like that, they should come out. So I took the one out here, but it looks like it bolts up there on that one. So this has to come out. That's a T45. I think that's why you have it raised like that on there. Let's keep going. See what we have. Let's go ahead and break this loose. So you do have to take that foot peg bracket off on the other side. That's funny. They sent this bolt here, and it's not long enough. Actually, too big. Yeah, how the hell are you supposed to get that in there? That's ridiculous right there. It's way too short. We can get that one back in. Guess I'm gonna have to go buy a longer bolt for this side. We're gonna go ahead and mount that up. Get some of this Loctite in here. Hopefully I'm able to get these bolts in there and line up. Some Loctite on them. These up with the impact. These can come back out now. Did buy this cheap little wrench from Walmart. Perfect for this type of job here. And that's pretty much it. Crash bar is on there. You can see I just gotta snug everything up, torque everything down, and then get the longer bolt on that one. So I don't know why they sent this fucking bolt so short. They're all the same length. But that's pretty much it. Looks like I gotta run over to the hardware store, Home Depot, Lowe's or something, and get that bolt. But easy as can be. snug everything up, but that's pretty much it. Torque everything down. So like, comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Easy install vid. Appreciate you guys.